In today's lecture, we are going to discuss the different types of inventory and the functions of inventory and why is it important to study inventory management. Inventory is one of the most expensive assets for most of the companies, representing almost 50% of the total invested capital. Many operations managers globally have realized its importance and they find it critical to improve the inventory in order to reduce the overall cost. On the one hand, a firm can reduce cost by reducing inventory, and on the other hand, production may stop and customers become dissatisfied when an item is out of stock. The objective of inventory management is to strike a balance between inventory investment and customer service. You can never achieve a low cost strategy without good inventory management. All organizations have some type of inventory planning and control system. A bank has methods to control its inventory of cash. A hospital has methods to control blood supplies and pharmaceuticals. Government agencies, schools, and of course, virtually every manufacturing and production organization are concerned with inventory planning and control. In cases involving physical products, the organization must determine whether to produce goods or to purchase them. Once this decision has been made, the next step is to forecast demand. Then operations manager must determine the inventory necessary to service the demand. Inventory can serve several functions, but there are four critical functions that we are going to discuss today. The first is to provide a selection of goods for anticipated customer demand and to separate the firm from fluctuations in that demand. Such inventories are typical in retail establishments. Number two, to decouple various parts of the production process. For example, if a firm's supplies fluctuate, extra inventory may be necessary to decouple the production process from suppliers. Number three, to take advantage of quantity discounts because purchases in large quantities may reduce the cost of goods or their delivery. And number four, to hedge against inflation and upward price changes. To accommodate the functions of inventory, firms maintain four different kinds of inventories. Number one, raw material inventory. Number two, work in process inventory. Number three, maintenance, repair, operating supply, which are MRO inventory. Number four, finished goods inventory. Number one, raw material inventory. Raw material inventory is any inventory that is purchased but not processed. This inventory can be used to decouple, that is to separate the suppliers from the production process. However, the preferred approach is to eliminate the supplier variability in quality, quantity, or delivery time so that separation is not needed. Number two, work in process inventory, which is also referred to as WIP. WIP is components or raw material that have undergone some change but are not completed. WIP exists because of the time it takes for a product to be made, which is called the cycle time. Reducing cycle time reduces inventory. Often this task is not difficult. During most of the time a product is being made, it is in fact sitting idle. Number three, MROs. MROs are inventories devoted to maintenance, repair, operating supplies, which are necessary to keep machinery and processes productive. They exist because the need and timing for maintenance and repair of some equipment are unknown. Although the demand of MRO inventory is often a function of maintenance schedules, other unscheduled MRO demands must be anticipated. And number four, finished goods inventory. It is the completed product that is awaiting shipment. Finished goods may be inventorized because future customer demands are unknown.